Slovenia with the last two athletes. This is what these fans wanted to see. This is ski jumping, ski flying at its best in this cauldron here in the Valley of the Jumps. Domen Prevc underway, 245 meters in the first round. He's going, he's going! Oh! What's the distance on that? Unbelievable from Domen Prevc!
Is it a new world record? Is it a new world record?
Yes! 254.5! A new world record for Domen Prevc! That is unbelievable!
Heel record returns to Planica, the world record, of course. What a jump! This is what we were waiting for. Completely stable over the knoll. And Domen Prevc, hats off, everything off. Oh, Domen, you are a crazy, crazy man. The marks, of course, are done. There was no telemark landing. We were saying a record is possible, and there you go. Stefan Kraft no longer the world record holder. The title goes to Domen Prevc.
We're shaking in the commentary box. Sorry if you spilled your coffee this morning. Well, Yanni, we talked about our moments of the season. Forget everything we've said. We've just seen it.
Yeah, that's it.
That was it.
That is it.
254.5 meters. Phenomenal. And for it to happen here, in front of these fans that have braved the rain for days, the final day of the season, just remarkable.
I'm speechless. What an end to the season. What an end to the season for Domen Prevc. Wow. But the Slovenians just stayed. That's it. We have one more to go. Planica. The jury after this jump of Domen going down to gate 11. And I think that I love Planica, but I don't know if he can beat this.
It almost doesn't matter, does it?
No.
It doesn't matter. So, gate 11, the last jump of the season. Planica, what has he got? Can he respond to what we've just seen from Domen?
Oh, yes, he can! I think he's done enough!
It's a serious jump from Planica. He's over 240, 241.5. It won't be the victory today for Domen Prevc.
No. I think the victory will stay with Planica, but the world record stays with Domen Prevc. The best possible finish, if you ask me. What a final day in Planica. This is what everybody was hoping for, and we got it in the end. Amazing, just amazing.
Wow. You're speechless. I'm speechless.
Gate 11 plus 27.1 for the gate, minus 7.6 for the wind. Now we can say we've seen everything.
I'm so happy for Andrzej to do it here in Planica. And rightly, both men lifted aloft. 475 at the target, and Planica confirmed as the winner. A 1-2 for Slovenia, a world record for Domen Prevc. This is what dreams are made of for these fans, for this team, for this nation that loves not just ski jumping, but ski flying. We have witnessed a moment that will go down in history in this sport.